got inspired from my people, the land, or like from the ingredients and to the nature.
Fruitfull at Jim Thompson House is both an opportunity and a challenge. The house itself has stories, histories running through its core. It's the year 1959, which is natural. It is the year when the house was being put together.
The Thai food that we have today is always involving in the past. Pad Thai wouldn't happen if we don't have a Chinese cuisine involved. We won't have curry if Indian cuisine wasn't involved.
It takes time. I feed the chefs with stories and challenges. They have that free rein to interpret them.
He take the idea of that recipe and reimagine and make today taste.
Idea go back and forth, and I think that's how we create the menu as well.
I find my diners to be excited by food and they're adventurous, always chasing for new flavors. There can never be enough new ideas here. It's exciting and rewarding to chefs to cook for this crowd.
As the cook, in the end, only one mission that you have to do: cook delicious food.
Sustainability is really just paying respect to the place that we call home, and we're sharing this planet, right? And we're perhaps, to a lot of us, we're passing it on as well. At least for me, it's natural for us to take care of it. That 100 years as a human race, we've progressed so much with everything, but we've deteriorated so much with probably the most important thing. Fruitfull is a food platform, asking questions through food, going out to eat and enjoying a meal done by someone dedicating their lives to food, like chefs and farmers and everyone. I think that's also very, very amazing. Food this year can make us more grateful, more thankful, and more hopeful, and more excited and ready to kick ass in 2021.